How to fix your keyboard typing numbers instead of letters. You're typing on your laptop and suddenly, some of the keys start registering as numbers and symbols instead of letters. What's going on? Most likely, the answer lies with your numlock key. Here's why, and how to fix it. Numlock, short for number lock, is a feature of PC keyboards dating back to the very first IBM PC in 1981. To save room on the keyboard, IBM decided to make keys on the numeric keypad do double duty as both number keys and cursor keys. To switch modes between them, IBM introduced the numlock key. With numlock turned on, the numeric keypad on a desktop PC works like an adding machine keypad with numbers and symbols, such as asterisk, slash, and plus, that represent mathematical operations. With numlock turned off, the keypad registers as cursor keys, like up and down arrow, and some editing keys, such as home and insert. Most laptops don't have dedicated numeric keypads, so numlock works differently on them. Instead of changing cursor keys into numbers, it converts a section of the QWERTY letters on the keyboard into a virtual numeric keypad. Here is an example: a keyboard made by Acer for a Windows 10 laptop. When you press the numlock key, seen here highlight in a red rectangle, 15 of the keys switch modes into a simulated numeric keypad. When you push them, they register as the symbol highlight in the red circle. Your laptop will most likely look different than this, but many manufacturers use some variation of using keys on the right side of the keyboard as a numeric keypad with numlock. As a result, if you hit the numlock key by accident on a laptop, you might have a problem that looks like this. In this case, you're typing numbers instead of letters because the numlock key is turned on. Here's how to turn it off. The first step to turning off numlock is to find the numlock key on your laptop's keyboard. Its location can vary wildly by laptop manufacturer, but it is usually located in the upper right corner of the keyboard. Look for a small key that says some variation of numlock, nummelk, or even a small lock symbol with a number 1 inside. Some laptops may require you to hold down a function key, commonly labeled FN, while pushing numlock to toggle it on or off. Also, some laptop keyboards may have an indicator light showing whether numlock is turned on or off. For example, this YouTube video shows the location of the numlock key and its indicator light on a Sony Vaio notebook keyboard. Your laptop will vary. If you have trouble locating your numlock key, try searching for a combination of your manufacturer name plus, laptop plus, numlock key location, on Google. And you might find a websites with instructions specific to your laptop. For example, Google, Lenovo laptop numlock key location, and you will find information about the numlock key on various ThinkPad laptops. Now that you know about the numlock key, you can easily turn it off if you ever accidentally find yourself typing numbers again. If you'd like to receive an audible alert when you push the numlock key, follow this guide to make your computer play a sound when you type the numlock key, so you'll know if you pressed it by accident. There's also a way to see a notification in your taskbar if you turn on numlock. Text source, howtogeek.com.